Hello everyone. Today we talk about Schedule M. Schedule M is a part of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. It is a GMP, good manufacturing practice for pharmaceutical that should be followed by pharmaceutical manufacturing unit in India. It is a part of quality assurance which ensures that the product are consistently manufactured and controlled to the quality standard appropriate to their intended use. GMP, a set of principle and procedure which when followed by manufacturer for therapeutic goods helps ensure that product manufacturer will have the required quality. Schedule M requirements of factory premises, plant and equipments for the pharmaceutical product. In Schedule M, there are categorized in three ways: M1, M2, and M3. M1 requirement for factory premises for manufacturing homeopathic preparation, M2 is for cosmetic, and M3 is for the medical device. So, part of Schedule M. Part first is a GMP practice for premises and material. Part 2 is a requirement of plant and material. And the part first, GMP practice for premises material. In part first, they also categorize in some ways like part 1A, part B, part C. In part 1A, specific requirement for manufacturing sterile product, SVP, LVP, and sterile ophthalmic preparation. In part B, specific requirement for manufacturing oral solid dosage form like tablet and capsule. In part C, uh, oral liquid like syrup, elixir, emulsion, and suspensions. In part D, emulsion, lotion, dusting powder, and the dental products. Part E, meter dose inhalers. And part first F, material manufacture of bulk drug. Part first, GMP for premises material. In general requirement, first is the location and the surrounding building, premises, water system. In a in location in surroundings such as avoid to risk of contamination from external environment, building and premises, it should be condition laid down in Factories Act 1948. Building should be designed in such a way to permit production of drug under hygiene condition. Water system, it should be produced purified water conforming IPE specification. Storage tank shall be cleaned periodically and record maintained by the licensee. Disposable of waste shall be required under the EPCB and BMW. Hazardous toxic substances and flammable substances should be stored in segregated areas. In water housing area, advocate area with proper rack, bean, platform, clean, dry, maintain acceptable temperature. Production area, dedicated self-contained facilities like biological preparation, sensitive products. It should be low production and unit flow. Ancillary area, rest and refreshment room should be separate from other areas. Quality control area, independent of production area, separate sections of physiochemical, biological, microbiological, radioisotope testing area, and the monitoring in the microbiology areas must. And personal, direct supervision of complement technical staff, educate number of personnel, good laboratory practices, or we can say GLP, and the proper training of technical staff member. Health, clothing, and sanitation of workers should be to cover regular medical checkup facilities, proper toilet facilities at a distance, and the personal cupboards and changes room for workers. And the manufacturing operation control, it should be competent technical staff supervision for measuring in other operation non-sterile product should be free from E. coli, bacteria, and the salmonella microbes. Precaution, a mix of cross contamination, manufacturing unit maintain required level of temperature, cleanliness, and proper required and SOPs to be avoid mix up and the contamination. Sanitation in manufacturing premises, no accumulated waste, no dust particle as far as possible, and the manufacturing premises should be used for the specific purpose for it is designed. And the raw material, properly identify, analyze container of raw material, inspected for any damage, store optimum temperature, label properly, systematic sample by quality control personnel. Equipment should be properly installed to achieve operational efficiency, good quality equipments, prevent physical and chemical change. Documentation and record, important part of QA system as such as shall be related to all aspects of GMP, specification of all material, method of manufacture, quality control, and the label and other printed materials stored properly and separately used as well required. I should not be intermixed. Quality assurance, the section collectively influence the quality of product, record of compliance with GMP, quality control, sale record, etc. Self-inspection and quality audit should be experienced by the qualified person for the inspections, and the in quality control system detailed instruction for quality control of raw material and finished product, and when possible and qualitative examination of the written products. The master formula record, it's a license should maintain record relating to all manufacturing procedure for each product and batch size. It also include patent or property status, name of formulation along with generic name, if any name, quantity, reference number, starting material, strand, doses, form, description, identification, all are covered under the master formula record, or we can say MFR. Batch packaging record, it should be recorded relevant part of packaging instructions, transcription error to be avoided, and equipment clean, plan packaging operation and proper maintenance. And BPR, batch processing record, each product clean equipment, name of product, number of batch, manufacture date and time, and commencement of operation, significant intermediate stages. Thank you so much for the schedule M.